Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'll be showing you how to clean the cabin filter or the AC filter of Kia Picanto. So guys, this is the 2010 model of Kia Picanto. So in order to clean the cabin filter or AC filter, first of all you open the glove box, and here you can see the two hooks. You press two hooks inward by applying the force both at the same time, and your glove box will come out like this. So guys, down here you can see the filter cover. First of all, remove this filter cover from here, pull that out, and after that you can see the cabin filter or AC filter here. Pull it out like this, and you guys can see how dirty it is. So let's clean it. Put it all the way in, and after that put the cover back, and you are all done. So in order to put the glove box back, you can see here hook. You push this hook backward like this, and do the same for another. You push it backward like this, and your hook will come out like this, and you put the glove box back. And after you push completely, you push this hook on its own place like this, and do the same for another. You insert this one inside and push it backward like this. It's all done. So this was all for how to clean the cabin filter of Kia Picanto. If you guys learned something, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.